Hi everyone! Today we'll have a look at the impact of a call to action button in a landing page with Nealeo A/B testing. A call to action is a button or link that you place on your website to convert visitors into leads or customers by filling out a form, buying a product, or similar. Let's assume we want to drive visitors of our landing page to visit our pricing plans page, which is the first step in our sales funnel. In order to do this, we could change the call to action copy. Instead of saying, "Join now," we'll test if the sentence, "Yes, I want to start now," works better. Since our call to action button is on the landing page, the one we need today is A/B test your landing page. Name the experiment and describe what you plan to do. Once you're done, click Next to create one or more alternatives for your landing page. Since we only want to change the call to action button, create a new alternative based on an existing page. Type a name for the new alternative. After that, click on Create. Then save the experiment and edit the new alternative landing page. In our website, we use Visual Composer, and therefore we only need to change the text of the fancy button. Once you've saved the changes, you can now preview them to check if the new alternative looks as expected. After that, you need to come back to edit the experiment and set up its goals. In our case, we want to track if our visitors go to our subscription plans page. To do that, click on the page icon and select the subscription plans page in the drop-down list. Finally, save the experiment. Here you can see the experiment we just produced. To run the experiment, just click on Start. Nealeo warns you that experiments cannot be edited while running, so make sure you didn't miss anything. You can see the results of the experiment at any time by using the View link. However, there might be no results right after starting the experiment. Just give it some time and Nealeo will collect and process your visitors' actions. After a certain period of time, if there is a winner, you can stop the experiment by clicking on the Stop button. Nealeo warns you that experiments cannot be resumed. Finally, there's only one thing left. Since the alternative call to action button was better, you have to make it permanent so that all your visitors see it. To do this, go to the Alternatives tab and click on the Apply button of the winning alternative. Confirm that you want to overwrite the original content, and you're done. There are hundreds of thousands of different combinations that can be tested on any given website. So why don't you go ahead and create your next experiment? Stay tuned for the upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.